Let's check it out with Evan for the forecast.
Well, we saw warmer temperatures stay into the upper 50s to around 60 degrees, but a weak cold front will move through later tonight, dropping those temperatures a little bit and some unsettled weather for at least part of the weekend. So take a look at the radar right now. It is sweeping clear. We had a couple of sprinkles showing up on radar and satellite a little bit earlier as a weak system pushed through. No reports of it making the ground. Wouldn't be surprised if there was an isolated sprinkle in a couple of spots. But right now, just some high, thin clouds that are streaming through. Mainly clear conditions out towards our west, and those clear skies will allow temperatures to drop later tonight. Through the evening, winds continuing out of the southwest, temperatures in the 50s over the next few hours. But as that front slides through late this evening, notice those winds starting to switch around more towards the northwest. That will allow some of that cooler air to work its way in during the day on Friday. We'll start the day with temperatures in the mid to upper 30s to around 40 degrees. Winds fairly light as we start the day, but with that just slight shift to the northwest, that means temperatures won't be allowed to rise nearly as quickly as they did today. So we'll still be in the upper 40s by about noon, but into the afternoon, likely only getting into the low 50s. We'll say about 51, 52 degrees for the high temperature tomorrow, despite the sunshine. Winds out of the northwest. Winds continue out of the northwest as we go through the evening hours on Friday, and then Saturday. We'll start things off here at 6 a.m. A chilly start to the day. Low 30s, near freezing inland spots, mid 30s along the coastline, but with that northerly wind and a system approaching from the west, we'll see some clouds start to roll in. Stopped it here at 10 a.m. on Saturday. That's the start of the Ocean View St. Patrick's Day parade. Notice that we are looking at dry conditions at the start of the parade and likely through the end, but some of the celebrations afterwards, once we get past noon or 1 o'clock, could be looking at a few showers rolling through the area. Not a washout on Saturday, but there will be some showers dotting the radar screen. And notice the cooler temperatures only in the low 50s as we go through the afternoon on Saturday. A few high thin clouds up on the peninsula. This is our camera at Oyster Point up at LFCU, our LFCU camera rather. And again, we are looking at temperatures that are in the upper 50s right now, 58 degrees. Humidity at 24%, winds out of the west-southwest at 16 miles per hour. 57 in West Point, 55 Saluda and Hampton, 58 in Elizabeth City, 52 at Tangier Island, and 61, one of the warmer spots in Edenton, and 62 degrees back in Ahoskie. So later tonight, mainly clear, breezy and cold down to 37 degrees, winds out of the west, eventually switching to the northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And those northwest breezes tomorrow will mean temperatures only in the low 50s under mostly sunny skies. Mainly clear tomorrow night down to 33, and then for Saturday, increasing clouds through the day, some sunshine early in the morning, but some afternoon showers, a high temperature of 52 degrees. And then for Sunday, high temperature of 59, slight chance of a shower early. I think that might even be before the half marathon and the full marathon gets underway at 7:30 on Sunday out along the ocean front. 55 on Monday, and then another storm system, which could be a pretty significant nor'easter for parts of the northeast, will mainly give us some rain on Tuesday, a high temperature of 57, and then those temperatures drop once again, 51 Wednesday, 47 on Thursday.
All right, thanks, Evan.